It's Mother's Day weekend, and here in the Pacific Northwest, we have warm weather, clear skies, and a weekend adventure ahead. I'm taking Camp Chef Mom and the baby brother Maverick out for a trip in the Cascade Mountains right outside of Cle Elum Lake. This area is favorable to numerous dispersed campsites and endless opportunities to explore on the various trails nearby. Join me as we cheers to another adventure and celebrate Mother's Day in style. And I came across this one. Check this out. As with any Friday night, we started our weekend in search of finding camp. I did have a few sites in particular that I wanted to show Mom from previous year's visits, though unfortunately snowmelt is still occurring this time of year, which can quickly alter plans if you're not careful. It just so happened that up around the bend we came across a couple who tested the limits of the snow just a little too far. With trying to push through the wet and heavy snow, they unfortunately got high-centered and could not move any further forward or back up. Knowing we had the right tools for the job, it was out with the snatch strap for a quick, effective recovery. Knowing everyone was safe, unstuck, and heading back down to lower elevation, it was now officially time to find proper camp and get the evening kicked off right. Today was going to be an easy day overall. With a beautiful riverfront camp set up and breakfast already going, the only goal today was to simply soak up the views, unwind from the work week, and hang out. However, with bringing the e-bike along, I definitely am eager to check out some of the surrounding roads for potential future campsite opportunities. So apologies ahead of time for the wind noise, but I was cruising around on the forest roads with the e-bike, doing some recon for future trip and spots, and I came across this one. Check this out. Boom! Absolutely stunning view of Cle Elum Lake down there, and it is just a perfect day to be out here exploring. It's a great opportunity to do it this way because I don't have to break down camp and can leave everything there, but still get out and about with the bike and cruise around on some of these roads and start marking Gaia GPS for future trips. But man, sunshine, blue skies, warm temps, incredible views. Great start to the weekend. There's oftentimes many roads I'd love to explore, and A, I don't want to break down camp to do so, or B, not sure of the status or how overgrown the road may be. Having this new e-bike is definitely coming in handy, and with the summer season nearly in full swing, I'm looking forward to see how else it will serve in the setup. So guys, it's a beautiful Saturday afternoon here. We're just north of Cle Elum Lake. Camp Chef Mom and I, we're camping here for Mother's Day weekend. I figured what better opportunity to get out, bring the baby brother Maverick along as well, and all enjoy a nice little riverfront spot with the warmer temps that we're having here in the Pacific Northwest this weekend. So honestly, it's been a very long time since just her and I went camping. I think it was in Alaska. It's just her and I, which was incredible. So if you guys haven't seen that series, The Promises Fulfilled, incredible time when we were up there for all the right reasons. So highly suggest you guys checking that out if you want to see more mother and son content. But otherwise, really this weekend's kind of a lazy weekend, along with just exploring around on the bike like I have been earlier. It's nice to just relax, soak up the sun, get a little afternoon nap in, and maybe even go put my feet in the water here later this afternoon. But great weekend so far, and hope you guys are all getting out as well.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there.
Yep, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Set up not too far down the riverbank from camp was a supporter of the channel rocking a fully built 4Runner with all the bells and whistles, of which were all installed and some parts even made by himself, including a water heater for the shower system. Being an iCamper tent owner, our paths had crossed once before, but this was an awesome opportunity to catch up and see more of his rig out in the wild. Kareem, thank you so much for the continued support. P.S. Thanks again for lunch.
Tilapia tacos with sweet peppers, onions, avocado, olives, and a little side salad.
I'll be honest, I may have traded more time to be present in the moment than behind the camera for this trip, though sometimes that's needed. Even for a quick weekend getaway, you'll be amazed by how refreshing it is to leave the comforts of home, cell service, and TV all behind. I invite each one of you to take on a new opportunity this summer, whether grand or small, to experience something new with the ones you love. Those will be the memories you cherish forever. As always, I sincerely appreciate your support, and until next time, safe travels.